You are using the internet right now, but what happens the second it is gone? No Google Maps, no bank transfers, no news feeds, no way to call for help, no way to know what is happening outside your own street. Most people think an internet shutdown is just an inconvenience. They are completely wrong. Within 24 hours, it becomes a survival situation, and the people who prepared are the ones who come out the other side. The first thing that collapses is money. ATMs stop working, card payments fail, online banking vanishes. Suddenly, the only thing with value is physical cash in your hand. Here is what you do right now. Keep at least 2 to 3 weeks of living expenses in cash at home. Small bills only. Nobody will have change. And write down your bank account numbers, insurance details, and emergency contacts on paper. Not in your phone, on paper. Because your phone is useless without internet too. When the internet dies, WhatsApp dies with it. Email, gone. Social media, gone. But here is what most people do not know. Regular SMS text messages and basic phone calls still work. They run on cell towers, not the internet. So your first move is contact your family by SMS, not WhatsApp. Even better, own a battery-powered FM radio. This is not old-fashioned. In every major crisis in history, FM radio was the only way civilians received real information. Agree on a physical meeting point with your family right now. A specific street corner, a specific building. Because if phones fail completely, you need to know exactly where to go. Supply chains run on the internet. Warehouse systems, delivery routes, store inventory, all of it connected. Within 48 hours of a major shutdown, store shelves start going empty. Not because food disappeared, because nobody knows where to send it. This means you need a minimum 2-week supply of non-perishable food and water at home. Canned food, dry rice, pasta, bottled water, nothing complicated. And print physical maps of your city right now. Google Maps will not help you when your data is gone. A paper map costs nothing and could save everything. Here is the part nobody talks about. The internet going down does not just cut off convenience. It cuts off the systems that keep society stable. Traffic lights run on networked systems. Hospitals rely on connected equipment. Police dispatch uses digital communication. Power grids are monitored online. A long enough internet blackout does not stay digital. It goes physical very fast. The people who survive are not the ones who panic at the last minute. They are the ones who prepared quietly weeks before and stayed calm while everyone else lost control. So here is your checklist before you close this video. Keep cash at home. Write down important numbers on paper. Own an FM radio. Agree on a family meeting point. Stock 2 weeks of food and water. Print a physical map. 6 things. That is it. 6 things that take less than 1 afternoon and could be the difference between surviving and not. Subscribe right now because the next video covers what happens when the power grid goes down completely, and that one is even more dangerous. Stay alert, stay smart, stay alive now.